to edit the home page sections that are hidden. So when you first load the page, you're brought here and you see these and you want to edit any of these. So to do so, you're going to have to bring up the navigator, which is this right here, the second icon here, and you'll see this panel pop up. So I have these labeled. This stuff might be collapsed for you. So we have the first section, which is the intro header, where you see this, everything pertaining to it. Your second section, which is all your information. And when you expand it, you'll see different things in here. So this first one is the column that we're currently in. So the overarching column, and that's the text. Then we have here the DX in real time. So this is auto-generated, but if you want to unhide it, you have this selected. You click advanced, go to responsive section under advanced here, and you'll see these are all toggled on. So if you want to actually edit them, you got to shut this off so you can get to it. If you're editing this section, you would end up like editing the title here, but this section is auto-generated and being pulled in via a query. So if you would need to reach out to me to get this sorted. So since we're not going to edit this part, I'm going to hide it. And we also have the symposium lineup, so I'm going to duplicate this actually, so we can get to both parts. I'm going to get rid of this one, this one. And then for this second one, okay, so we have the symposium lineup, which I'm going to change this right here. Okay. So I want to hide the DX in real time again, so I have advanced open. I'm toggling on the responsive section and turning all this stuff back on. For this symposium section is still active. I'm going to switch this over. There we go. Cool. All right. All right. So when you're ready to actually edit this section is right here, symposium lineup. I'm going to toggle all this off for right now. Our next section over here, so is our film lineup, which I'm going to the advanced tab, responsive, toggling all this stuff off. This is automatically generated by when you enter films. If you are not entering films like you did before in the back end, in the film section, I need to know this, because this changes how this has to be set up. But for now, I am going to set it up properly as if you are going to be doing that by putting them in the film section. Okay. I am going to clear out this one. Okay. So here's the film lineup. I'm going to toggle all this stuff off again. But that film lineup is generated by when you actually put films in this. And when it's actually ready, I need to switch it over to pull only 2024. For these sections, I don't know if you want them active at all, but they behave the same way. They're not named, but you can see when they're highlighted. So again, you'd go to the Advanced tab, expand the responsive, and toggle all this stuff off to edit them. I think that is pretty much it on how to manage that. Let me know if you have any other questions.